Hi there, students. Out of your wits. Out of your wits means extremely frightened. The first collocation that comes to mind is, I was scared out of my wits. He scared me out of my wits. Your wits are your intelligence. Notice wit and witty can also mean funny, but that's a slightly different meaning. Yeah? Use your wits, use your intelligence. So, he was scared out of his wits. It's saying that he was so frightened he couldn't think. Yeah? You could be worried out of your wits. Okay? If something happens and you need information because you want to know the real situation, you are worried out of your wits, you're scared out of your wits that something bad has happened. We often use it as well, I was out of my wits waiting for my exam results because I thought I'd failed. Okay? So if you're out of your wits, you're extremely frightened, extremely afraid. Okay, so yeah, to scare someone out of their wits. I had to make a speech and I was out of my wits with nervousness before I had to give it. Yeah? Maybe you're scared out of your wits that you're going to fail your exam just before you go in. Okay? He was out of his wits with worry. He was out of his wits with nervousness. Yeah? So nervous, so worried that the mind stops going. Yeah? He came up behind me and went, boom! And it scared me out of my wits. Okay? I was scared out of my wits by what he did. Or maybe you're driving and you nearly have an accident. The oncoming car, the car coming towards me, missed me by half an inch. I was scared out of my wits until I realised the accident hadn't happened and it was a near miss. Okay? So, out of your wits. So worried, so scared, so frightened, so nervous that your brain stops working. Yeah? But it just means very nervous, very worried, very frightened. So there you go, a simple one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Out of your wits. Out of my wits.